of money is shared between two men in the ratio to 4, with the smaller amount being $20,000. What's the sum of money? Creative kids?
$45,000.
That is correct. Social studies. Georgetown, the capital of Guyana, lies at the mouth of which river? The Demerara. Bible knowledge, which minor prophet was the son of Amittai? Creative kids?
Jonah.
That's right. English language, what does the figurative expression "to hold your horses" mean? No time to hear the answer. The correct answer would have been to wait or to slow down. That's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. The scores are Creative Kids Learning Academy on 44 and Friendship Primary on 19.
They were definitely not holding their horses at the final. Creative Kids Learning Academy emerged as winners of this year's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. And joining us this morning via Zoom is Team Captain Malik Campbell. And with me in studio is Daniel Vernon, Mackay Collins, Dimitri Heslop, and Creative Kids Learning Academy's coach, Romeo Lee. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Good morning.
Them want sleep. Them want. Listen, Malik, tell me you don't want to sleep. Where are you? I'm soon coming.
I'm in America.
Well, okay, no, well, all right. I never want you to tell me really, but I'm going to start with Coach Romeo. Coach, talk to me about this year. A lot of pressure. What was the preparation like?
Well, pressure definitely. The preparation was arduous. But at the same time, these guys made it a lot easier than they could have been. They were very diligent, I must say. They were disciplined, they were to the task. Having 4 boys, I think that a lot of persons see it as an advantage. It definitely is, but at the same time, oh boy, it has its challenges. But they made the journey quite didactic, fun.
Yeah.
I mean, I completely enjoyed it.
Excellent. Malik, as team captain, how difficult was it? Were there times when everybody said, we don't want to do this today, sir, we want to play football or we want to go on our video games?
Yes. Whenever there's a task where we have to complete before we go play, it's usually something very hard to do. So sometimes we're tired and we can't do this right now. So we want to play. So sometimes we won't focus.
Yeah, but you pushed through because you did so well. Daniel, looking back on the match, was there anything that you would have done differently? It was an impressive win, but is there anything you would have done differently?